Biya kamal kan Nuer online TV channel normal kan yam kana asan content baro aisnin ba kalin gwasme kajan lar bu kon linga jan gwasme riang mu ci to gray wacca ka yambiyo shiram ngai kona kam SSPDF kan SPL mayo ken yam ban men chalat gwasme SSPDF la kum kirma yadit man ngot to kwarka ray wiki yambiyo gwase chicken SPL mayo General Alfred Futuyo meje kana joy kwara kashwe jen shochore rop gwas mi chawro do matkel kaji kede ni SPL mayo ko jen kwara kanyam ka SPL mayo Alfred Futuyo jen kwain kaje ka kwimal ka me cha tan karon kina dang rewil wal bade ka jen dan las kaje kwara ka kwida you know kami dane chamal ya tanya ne no chi kam SPL mayo kana kam SSPDF chete kamal shu kan gudu mo shu kana jako bala kwar ka yam bion ni mi comment chikul to gwasme raje ku kon la do gwasme no larame bejalat ka tungnas kenyam ko koro beje ko ni ga to English sha de ne SSPDF cha ga yen rai wisha ka yam bio SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force cha ga yen ken de ne to men yan kaka chala do dong dera dikel men chala lunga wa dikel jen cha yen no jen yan ka je ko jen wa te ka mai che chama che dwanial no yen kwaren yen South Sudan National Security rei which ko Western Equatorial State ka capital Yambia jen mon chaje yen National Security men yan ke je waje ne chama che dwanial ka war ka ta badak mo ka ta bongan ka war ka tuktiang rei which ka yambio ci polin ci karaj mo ci kana la no mi ci talk you know men ko to gwas me ngai kone gwano ko ko no lat ko den rei which ka Western Equatorial State kam SPL mayo no kam SPL mayo kanen kone lat ko den man to ka Western Equatoria Western Bargazal man to Great Hapana State kene kelo ko kan an kum SSPDF led expansion look and SPL mayo ene ramimo guiro no dong da chonkel ka SPL mayo ki milad chonkel ka SPL mayo la kana target ramimo sha dejamo SSPDF chama che dwache ni alloro bang ngai kona gwano tele dej mi de mach do nyaloro bang do no ke ta dan goro jeno bi wich barod palpin chala do shi deje mo cha chu yen national security rai wich ka yambio na mo mi chala de ken en kum SSPDF kana ayo ngai kona ka jan gwasme tele malm le rode de ko larno te malm reten no ngode ni ko gwase dane Alfred Futuyo me chaje jo kirma yadit ka chaje ya wono no don de jena ka South Sudan National Security rai wike yambi choro de chobar jen ku ne ne me chi Dr. Machar che warga jakka kirno de udomo de je loch jok de lo kwarga de ko chi jago je kwine kuje spere mayo ana mo kan warga den kanaluch me chi kirela cha jonka no udome che lus ka kuje mo be yik chanagor anyok en gwada ne teten ko jene governor en Alfred Futuyo la gwada kan ko Iran ko police ne dane teten e dunga SPL mayo kan ko nyaka ramdana la acting governor tam rame la kwara rawde ajam danan kule la ran SPL ran kin yadit kwere nyame dunga yo kwara rawde dung kuma kin yadit no mo generally dane shode lat chan jokon gwada me the police in the Western Equatorial State capital Yambio on Thursday confirmed the arrest of an SSPDF soldiers who irresponsibly discharged his firearm and caused panic in the town. Acting Police Commissioner General Samuel Tate said that the soldier fired several bullets in their own on Wednesday night. In response to such incident, we have deployed force at night to protect civilians and maintain peace in the state. There's no major security threat in Yambio, he said, but criminal activities like this shooting in the air cause unnecessary fear, which is lie. They were actually shooting SPL mayo members. For his part, Yambio Town Municipality John Singira also confirmed the incident, stating that The gunfire occurred between 8 and 9 p.m. on Wednesday. One person has been arrested for randomly shooting in the air, which is lie. According to Edward Aluminio Mombasa, the executive chief of Yambio Town Municipality, the soldier who discharged his gun was intoxicated and began shooting in the air in high Kuba before security forces swiftly intervened and took him into the custody. The community was terrified last Wednesday night, but after hearing the news of his soldier's arrest, people are now feeling reassured. This is what the government do to convince the people, to not afraid, because at first this soldier was shooting people. Actually, it was a fight, it was a war. But instead, since the community want to, the government want to calm down the community, they have to assure the community that this guy was intoxicated, he drank, and he was simply firing a gun in the air. So this is the work of government that do not want people to know what is actually happening. The force and the government are working tirelessly to maintain peace. This is live even. No government in Yambio working to bring peace. Instead, they are hunting down SPLMIO as we speak. Meanwhile, reports indicate that some houses were burned in Napere, Gangara residential areas. As you can see, a resident, Emilia John, however, say calm has returned to the affected areas. The situation has now come, and my message to the people is to maintain peace, because violence will not solve anything, and we want to focus on farming this year, he said. The state authorities and security officials have urged the public to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activity to security force to ensure the safety of all residents. As you can hear from this message, it indicates that actually in Yambio there's no peace. These SSPDF soldiers are still looking for SPLMIO members, especially the relative of Alfred Futuyo. And Alfred Futuyo was dismissed by Kirumayadit last month. Alfred Futuyo is one of the SPLMIO members. He was the governor until he was removed by Kirumayadit, and then after that night when he was removed, the element of or members of the SSPDF led by Kirumayadit went ahead and attacked Alfred Futuyo in his residential in Yambio. So this led to the unrest of the fight, and then they exchanged guns, and it led the Alfred Futuyo to escape into the bush, and then join his force as well as my force in Yambio. And this is what brought the insecurity now in Yambio. Wherever they could find the SSPDF, if they find any elements linked to members of the SPLMIO, they are surely targeting these peoples, and also they are burning their house down. As you hear from this report that some houses were burned in Napere and Gangara residential area. Alright, and this is really indication of there's no peace in Yambio as we speak. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.